phylum of mollusca. In mollusca, so we define molluscas means that such soft or thin celled can be covered whole body, and the body is divided into foot, head, foot, and also foot is muscular, so that is helpful in locomotions. Food helps, and also visceral regions, and that is why with the help of the heads these animals can be moved from one place to another. But different animals have a different shape, size, and also have a activity to do their reproductions, and generally the coelomic cavity is absent in these animals, are bilateral symmetry, showing the bilateral symmetry, and these animals have a body in characteristic features. If we are saying the watching the characteristic features, they are soft, soft and bilateral symmetry, and without appendages is not available here. So that is why we can say that no appendages is available. It's a reduced coelomic cavity is absent, and produced pole. Also some animals like oysters and clams are such animals that produce the poles. So we can say that the body is divided into, as we had said, that body is divided into head, foot, and the mosses. So here is the locomotions through the muscular foods, and these are the several example of these animals is available here. Pila, Unio, and the chitons. One by one, so we will describe the characteristic feature of these animals. Here is the phylums. Okay, here is the phylums. Phylum. This is phylums. Molusca. Molusca. What is meanings of mollusca? Mollusca means soft celled, thin celled, soft thin celled. Characters, we will try to know the characters of these animals. Here are some characters of these animals are here. Body of these animals is soft. Body of these animals is soft. So bilateral symmetry. So bilateral symmetry, and also without appendages, have no appendages, and littles have no appendages. Appendages means head, the parts leg or arms, appendages, and little segmentations are present in its. Little segmentations are present in its reduced coelomic cavity. Has it reduced coelomic cavity? In previous phylums we have studied that there are coelomic cavity present, and before that phylums we are studying that coelomic cavity is not present, but a coelomic cavity is present, means coelom is absent, but produced some animal produces poles like oysters are and clams. Oysters and clams that produces poles, and these animals are open circulatory system is present. Open types of circulatory systems. Circulatory systems are found, and these animals have some metanephric nephridia. Metanephric pair of nephridia is present, means that's a kidney shaped structures can be seen can be seen. So metanephric epithelium that's responsible for excretion, because we know that excretion is the such process through which the body is the different unwanted materials and things can be discharged, so it is harmful for our body. And locomotion takes place through the food. Locomotions in these animals takes place by muscular foot. Some structures I will say example. We will take the examples. Here's examples are some examples is given here. So pila, uh, unio octopus, chitons, chitons, as these are the some animals. Unios and pilas and chitons are such types of animals that was present, and many other animals is also an example. Not only these three or four animals as I have told you, but here I will try my best so that you can understand. We will draw the figures. Here's the draw the figures so that you can understand its whales. Here is the theoretical value, and so now we will try to draw here the figures so that you can understand its well versed way. This is the pila. This is the pila globosa. We are going to pila globosa, and here is the pila globosa and the structures. Yes, this is the structures of pila globosa, and we will draw here the structures of pila globosa. We have draw this figure so that you can better understand with the help of the figures, and these are the pila globosa, and this is the cell structures. Phylum is here, that we can say it's a definite value of cell structures. Okay, and here is the some structures also can be seen through this, and you can understand it well. Okay, so pila globosa is here, and this is the cell. This is operculum. These are the operculums. This is the structures of pila globosa. So now we will study. So we will draw the structures of some structures of octopus. Suppose that these are the octopus structures. And these are the structures of the octopus. We can draw here structures, and these are the structures of the these are the structures of octopus. And also we can draw here that we have drawn here, and you are watching its wheels and can understand its wheels. These are the structural features of these animals and can be seen through, and this can be seen through and can be focused here. These are the eyes structures and also eyes structures and this. So this can be seen. So here is the structures of the structures of octopus. Head, eyes, arm and sucker is available here. This is a head, this is eyes, this is arm, and it is sucker. Not arm is here, and the sucker is available here. If we are drawing another structure, that is said to be the chitons. Here is the structures of chitons. Suppose that these are the structures of chitons, and further if we draw another upper layer of the structures, we will see that these are some places of the structures of chitons. So we see like the structures patches, like the structure can be seen, and these patches are found here in chitons. So this is the structure of chitons. This is octopus. These are the structure Pylaglobosa structure of Pylaglobosa or snail. It is also called freshwater rustlers. And these are chitons, and chiton structures calcareous cell plates, and this is calcareous cell plates. Calcareous celled plates. These are the muscular is. This is the muscular. This portion is muscular edge, and we can say this is the chiton structures. And with the help of structures, we are trying our best so that you can understood it well, and can understood it well, and not only but also you can you can take those features, and so that understanding power can be increases one by one, and automatically you will draw all the structures and there's a features, and the feature structures can be drawn here one by one. So we have drawn here the that is called octopus, and here is the structures of octopus. Clearly you can see that clearly this is the structures of the octopus, and with the help of the diagrammatic representations we are showing here the Pylaglobosa freshwater muscles, and in Pylaglobosa we can watch it clearly and try to understood it's well, so that you can understood it's all the things as available here, and the level diagrams is given here. Here is the theoretical and characters, and then this is the meaning of the mollusca I have written here, so that we can understand it well. Thank you very much for coming. So once again, I'm giving you my welcome so that you can not miss the video. Thank you.